Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at that McCulloch Pro Mac 55 chainsaw. Saw was made in the late 70s. It's 1.8 cubic inch, 46cc motor. Capable of running up to 28-inch bar and chain. This one features a 20-inch sprocket nose McCulloch bar and chain. And that's a .050 with a chisel bit skip tooth chain. Very fast cutting chain. And we'll take a look at some of the features on this saw. Kill switch is right here. Black button on the mid-range there. Has a manual override on the oiler. It has an automatic oiler plus the manual override in case you get in some pitchy wood. Chokes on the right side right here. And a decompression valve right down here, their little red button. Right there. Makes it easier to start this engine. These are high compression engines. Has the falling spike right there. To adjust the tension on these McCullochs, you loosen the two lug nuts up right here. Right on the inside here is your tensioner. These are very popular for the homeowners, firewood cutters. Some of the loggers use these saws. Just a very powerful little saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.